Hello, Nicholas DiPietro here, TA for North Seattle College. Going to show you how to install the CheckStyle IDA plugin. And if you look here, this will be what we work with. It is workable with the IntelliJ Ultimate and Community Edition, Android Studio, Aqua, and MPS. Here's the CheckStyle website. You can find it here at checkstyle.sourceforge.io. Check styles or coding styles are kind of standardized between languages, and they will allow you to follow the same convention between multiple developers, because as a developer, we get all different styles between each of us. And what this does is across the board, we will all be able to follow the same style so that it is uniform throughout our code base. If you don't understand the headache now, if you're a developer who's gone from Python to Java, you will understand potentially the frustration depending on which direction you're going. Indentation versus brackets versus C# doing brackets underneath like this. This is how C# tends to do it. Java tends to do it like this, where they do it at the end of the public static. Neither is incorrect. They are just language styles, right? So go ahead and go to those, check those out if you'd like. So first things first, you're going to go to Settings, Plugins, make sure you're at Marketplace, not installed. And in here, you're going to go to CheckStyle. You'll see I've already got this installed, but you'll install it, it'll restart your IDE, and then you'll be all good. Once you get back to the screen, you're going to set your check style to Google Checks. We're going to go Settings. Then we're going to go to Tools. Then we're going to go to, we should have check style. Here it is. We're going to make sure we set that to Google Checks. Once you do that, we'll hit Apply. Then we will hit OK. I believe next we're going to have it's going to start putting yellow lines under your code that is not formatted properly, right? So see here, it's already starting to work. Parameter args has a C style array type declaration. So Java, as you see, will start hating on everything you do. And we'll get to how to fix that. Don't worry about that. So we're going to now have to use a plugin called Google Java Format. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do the same thing, right? We're going to go Settings, Tools, Plugins, Marketplace. We're going to look for Google-Java-Format. I have this installed. You will install it. It might ask you to restart again. Please do so. Otherwise, it will not take effect. Once you do that, we're going to have to do some custom editing. And so you will need to update some configurations. So here, we'll go to Help. We're then going to go to Edit Custom VM Options. And so that should be down here. Click that. And in there, you're going to want to paste, in addition, pardon me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste this code right here. And you're going to see that it's all this add export stuff. I believe your instructor should be able to give this to you. If not, do reach out to me. I will be able to assist you with this. Make sure you save all files. That is Control S, or you could go to here and save all. Now that we've saved, you will close your IntelliJ. We will open it again. And now, if we close this, CheckStyle should load. And there you go. Now, you might be wondering, well, how do we fix this? All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to right click in the terminal area in here. We're going to reformat code, which I believe maybe it's, what are we in? We're in driver.java. That's this file here. Reformat code. Should be somewhere in here. Bear with me. Where are you? Here it is. Wow. All right. Reformat code. Control Alt L. I apologize for that. Make sure with these three that you have this all checked. Clean up code, rearrange, optimize. And so what this does is, as you see, it kind of reformatted everything. Indentation level says it's wrong. It should be 8. You might still have to fix some stuff here manually. It does note that anything related to Java docs will not be fixed. So if you're familiar with Java docs, it's akin to doing this, right, in your whole Java doc, something like that. This is Java doc. It will not fix that. It will see that as incorrect. So you could just leave that. Java doc is okay. We don't have to format that. Everything else is pretty good. Yeah, see, it doesn't like that there's a Java doc missing. I'll leave that to your instructor, but everything else looks pretty good here. It doesn't like our indentation level. We could test it by just doing this. It's still correct, right? Line contains a tab character. We're okay with that. After that, you should be all set. Your linter should be working, and this should be consistent between all members of a project. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or your instructor in the respective channels, and we'll help you out. Thank you.